Hi, we are here in Vietnam and we are looking to do the Sriracha or the Vietnamese chili sauce. And we have the chilies here, which these are the Vietnamese chilies, and some salt. And we have some garlic and rice vinegar and water. And she's gonna actually boil these first. This is the way the Vietnamese do it. And so we're going to show you. So come into our kitchen and we're gonna show you how it's being done here in Vietnam. This is one of the Vietnamese Sriracha sauce, and you can see right here in the little letters it says Tong Ut, which means chili sauce. So this is what the Vietnamese use a lot on their pho and other things. So it's not exactly the same as the American sauce, but it looks very similar with the bottle and everything else. But they still call it the Sriracha sauce. So here we are in our kitchen in Vietnam. She's gonna put some tablespoons of salt in the water. She has 3 tablespoons. Stir it up, make sure it's mixed well. Then she has about a kilo of these red peppers that she's going to cook. Guess that pan didn't work. That top, we'll find the top that works. So we're going to put a top on it and we're going to let it cook. She's cooking this on low heat for about 15 minutes. You see the heat here. And so we're just going to let this boil and then we'll come back. I'm going to check in here, and here we can see that you can see all the chilies are boiling very nicely. You can see that all here. They're all getting boiled in this salt water. You can see these are nicely cooked. And we're just putting in some crushed garlic. You can smell how hot they are. So here, they're almost ready now. Now we have a little bit of one of these little blenders here, and she's gonna put some of those in, and then we'll mix it up, and then we'll show you how it looks. So you can just basically you can chop it in a blender with a blender chopper, or with the other blender. So here is our blended chili peppers. And now we're going to cook it a little bit again, and we're going to put some vinegar in it. And she has some rice wine vinegar. You can use some regular vinegar or apple cider vinegar. It's kind of up to you. And we're going to now cook it again. So we have put like 1/4 cup of vinegar into here where we're blending up all of the chili peppers. Now we're just going to take that and we're going to put that in all of the rest of all the chili peppers, and she's just scraping the bottom there and getting the vinegar into it. And we'll mix it up. Now we're going to add a little bit of sugar. We are using a coconut natural sugar. So we have 1, 2, sort of like heaping teaspoons of sugar. We're using like a natural this is a coconut sugar, but you could try to use a monk fruit sugar if you want to make it sugar free, or just use regular sugar too. And then we're going to just cook it all together. It's actually quite easy. There it is. We're going to heat this up about 3 minutes. So we put in 1/2 cup of vinegar and about 2 heaping teaspoons of our natural coconut sugar And now we're just gonna let it cook on high heat for about 3 minutes. And then we're gonna put it in some jars. And we're done, basically, that's it. We're going to start putting in our homemade chili sauce into a jar here. And this is an airtight jar. Well, if you like chili sauce, this is hot chili sauce, and this is how you can make it yourself in your own home. You can see it's very easy to make. Just we had 1 kilo, about 2 pounds of fresh chilies, about 4 cups of water, boil it, steam them for about 15 minutes. Then you put in with the steaming, you put in about 3 tablespoons of salt. Then you just grind them up in a blender, add some vinegar, sugar, and you're good to go. And if you don't want so much sugar, you can add less sugar, make it more hot. If you want it to be less hot, then you can leave it out. And the longer you leave it, the less hot it will become. So this is really good homemade chili sauce. And very, quite healthy too, because you can decide how much sugar you put in or anything else you want to put into it. Enjoy. Thank you, friends, so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you get a chance, check out our blog, A Bus on a Dusty Road. We have a lot of other great recipes there. Thank you.